Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my sew-in maintenance routine. If you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. 3 weeks ago I got a sew-in with minimum leave out, and this is what my hair is looking like right now. So the hair is kind of like tangled and it's kind of weighed down by oil because I've been oiling my braids and my scalp a lot. And so now I just kind of want to bring the weave back to life. So I will be shampooing and conditioning my leave out as well as the weave. I'm not going to be shampooing or conditioning my braids underneath the sew-in just because I want to prevent my hair from getting matted. So I am wearing this super old raggedy shirt. It got holes in the armpit, so please don't mind, y'all. I ended up dyeing this hair a temporary jet black color because when I first got the hair, it was really light. It was like a really light brown color and it didn't match with my hair. So I knew as I was going to be shampooing my hair and conditioning it and all that, I knew like some of the dye was going to come off the hair. So that's why I put on this raggedy shirt. So do not mind this raggedy shirt, please. So I mainly focused on shampooing the bundles as well as my leave out. And I also avoided shampooing my braids. And I used cool water to rinse out the shampoo just because since I used a temporary dye, using cool water helps to prevent the color from washing away. So after shampooing my hair, I'm then going to apply my conditioner. This conditioner is the Creole Lily Cucumber Mint Hydrating and Restorative Hair Mask. It is part of my hair care line and it is free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, and mineral oils. Also, it is great for adding moisture to your hair while repairing problem areas without buildup. And is also a great deep conditioner that works great for those wanting healthy, long, thick, and shiny hair. So I'm just going to apply this all over my leave out. I'm going to use a generous amount so that way I can also then detangle my leave out, and then I'm also going to apply it to the bundles as well. So you just want to apply a generous amount of the conditioner to your hair and comb through to ensure thorough distribution from roots to ends. If you have low porosity hair, it is best to place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a dryer for about 15 to 30 minutes. And then you want to rinse out with warm water. So after I thoroughly detangled my hair, I went ahead and allowed the conditioner to sit for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out. So now after rinsing out the conditioner, I'm just going to go into styling. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray the Creole Lily Blueberry Frankincense Growth and Strengthening Hair Mist all over my leave out. So this lightweight water-based hair mist acts as a great hydrating leave-in and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions hair. It also helps stabilizes hair's pH balance, and it aids in repairing hair's damaged porosity. After applying the hair mist all over my leave out, then I'm going to go in with a heat protectant and I'm just going to spray that all over my leave out as well as the bundles. So after prepping my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry the bundles as well as my leave out.
'cause you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than just some more flick. I said feel well, you took it well. I miss crowd, but spilled milk. Give me a big flower, give me another valve, give me another hour or two, hour or two. Why you bother me?
So after blow drying my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron my leave out. I did not flat iron the bundles just because I liked how much fuller the bundles looked without being flat ironed. When straightening your hair, you want to make sure that you work in small sections, and you also want to make sure that your hair is completely dry before you begin to straighten your hair. Make sure before straightening your hair, you also don't use a lot of product. That will help with frizziness.
Like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
So after straightening out my leave out, I went ahead and added some wand curls to the hair. I've been wearing the hair pretty much straight the whole time, and I added some wand curls just to try something different. And now I'm just going to be adding some oil to my scalp as well as my braids. I'm going to be using the Creole Lily Henna Rosemary Nourishing Hair and Scalp Oil. This oil is a part of my hair collection. This oil is an all-natural pure oil that has been infused with over 60 herbs. This extra strength formula promotes hair growth, directly penetrates the scalp, and assists in improving follicle health. The natural properties found in henna curbs hair fall while also preventing and correcting hair thinning. Rosemary helps improve hair problems such as breakage, length retention, and stagnant hair growth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to head over to creolelily.com to check out my new hair products. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.